Can you do an intro?
Hello everybody, we are at
Louder.
Samuel Adams. Huh?
Louder. More exciting.
Get closer. I don't want to be on. Oh no, we gotta get our beer now.
Oh, that's too bad.
So guys, looks like we really can't get away from the $5 chicken nuggets. It's just way too cheap and we spent way too much money on the east coast of Canada. So good luck to us and hopefully we can have some good bowel movements even after this crap food. So Mike, how do you feel?
What's up guys? Very humid here, very humid. My hair got all frizzy and that's just what I wanted to tell you.
When you get bored of what the other person's saying, you just feed them food or put a drink in their mouth, then they'll stop talking.
Guys, so we're at the Samuel Adams Brewery for another free tour. It is sweet. So Claire doesn't want me to drink because she doesn't want to drive in the city. We get a free glass cup from Samuel Adams. This is one of the coolest tours ever because they actually let you go really hands-on with the beer and all that jazz. And I don't know how much beer they're gonna give us, but I'm excited. And you know, on these vlogs, what I noticed is that you have to work on your smiles. You look a lot better when you smile.
Got any malt in there? Thank you.
Awesome, thank you very much. So I don't know about you guys, but that's like
you zoom in on
4, 6, 8 pictures of
but
beer.
for like 100 people.
It's not 100 people, this is like 40 people.
Congratulations, you made it. Welcome to the tasting room.
Oh my gosh, they have a second style here for us as well.
So what I want you to do is take a sip and just try to focus on those malty sweet notes. Cheers. We beat the Germans at their own game.
Just then.
So this is their strategy. They give out 3 samples of beer and make you drink as much beer as you like, and then at the end they actually bring you through a gift shop so then you can buy a lot of stuff while you are kind of buzzed. So that's a great marketing strategy. It's a win-win for everyone.
You get these glasses for free. It's awesome.
So I've never had Samuel Adams before, but I definitely would have it again. It tastes great. The tour is awesome. The tour guide was awesome. Everything is awesome so far. And it's just the beginning of our day here in Boston.
Moments later.
So guys, we actually have a situation here where we can't leave the building or the location because we can't drive. The both of us are too buzzed to drive, and I thought Claire could drive. She only drank like 2 or 3 sips.
I'll be okay after this water.
Anyways, we're gonna be here for a while.
More moments later.
We're at Ban Le Vietnamese, and we got a sub and a roll.
Spring roll? Oh yeah.
And guess how much it is? It's only $8 for the both of these, whereas our other meals were $30, and they were really unsatisfactory. So guys, this is actually really legit. I really like this right now. I can eat a few more, definitely.
Just then.
So it's so good, we actually got another one.
So I mean it's $12, but still.
And it's $4 flat. There's tax included and everything. It's so worth it, so good. One of the best meals I've had on this trip so far.
So guys, this is like the best place ever. This is the best banh mi I have ever had in my life. It is so good. And we also got an avocado smoothie. This is only like $4, man. Got our fruits in, got our veggies, got our meat. Hit all of the food groups.
Later that same evening.
Hey guys, what's up? We are at Harvard and it's raining like cats and dogs. It's super wet here and everyone's wearing shorts and they don't even use an umbrella. So we've walked all around trying to get in libraries, and apparently you need ID cards to get in, which is reasonable. But too bad we don't get to see the libraries themselves. And I mean, yeah, if you were to visit a university like this, I would go in the daylight because you can see a lot more at night. You see the nightlife like this,
That's so pretty.
but then you can't really see all the historical buildings and stuff that's far away.
Yeah, but it's still nice, like the cobblestone streets and everything. It was kind of nicer going to the University of Chicago though, because it was a nice day.
University of Chicago?
Yes.
Oh yeah, remember those drone shots? Too bad there's no drone shots today because it's raining. I don't want to kill my little
And
drone.
it's all dark now.
Much later.
So guys, I'm actually inside Berklee College of Music here in Boston, and it's super cool. I can see musicians playing music, and yeah, but it's at night and there's no classes, and they actually let me roam around. It's pretty swanky. I went into the library. They have lots and lots of magazines and books of just everything, so that was fun. And I'm pretty surprised how they let anyone come in, because I was walking around doing my thing, recording, and no one said anything at all. So okay, so they probably have a show going on tonight at 10, but I can't stay that late, so too bad. I'm gonna have to miss it, but let's walk out and see what else I can find. So I didn't find much else. I just saw people practicing inside. I went to the library, and again, no one called me out on it, and it's pretty cool to walk around and see what the students are like. It's like a campus, and people have the cafeterias there, the dorms right upstairs, and it looks pretty cool. I would love to go to Berklee for drums, but I guess that's it for now. Like looking back, instead of going to the brewery, which we can go anywhere else, I should have looked at MIT, Harvard, and Berklee first in the day when everyone's in class, because that's what I want to see. But I guess next time when I come to Boston, I know what's up. So that's it for the vlog today, and if you haven't subscribed yet, do so, and smash the like button if you like the video. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I don't know where I'm going yet. I think I'm going to Brown's University, and that's it for now. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and have a good night. Bye.
Hey guys of the world, so if you're wondering why your girlfriend is angry, let me give you a tip. Say for example you're sharing a drink and it was her drink and she ordered it because it was her favorite flavor. For example, this was a fresh avocado milk bubble tea. Now, in this situation, if you are sharing, please never leave a tiny bit for your girlfriend, because she ain't gonna be happy. At least leave a good amount. A good measure is, see there's two lines here, that's second line. Not the first line, the second line. See right here? That's a good measure. So, there you go. There is Claire's tip and relationship advice. Tip number 2. Thanks everybody. Keep your girlfriends happy. Love ya.